Hello everyone. So today we are going to continue the previous topic in part 2 of this basics of chemistry, which is series 1, and this is the part 2 video. And those who did not watch the first video, please watch the first video and then watch this video so that you can understand properly what is taught in that video. And this is the continuation of the previous video. So the rules to remember: do not change the elements in the box. We need to only multiply, and you should always draw the table for the elements whether they are balanced or not, and multiply the entire box but not the single element. So let us look at this equation, which is methane plus oxygen. Methane is CH4 and oxygen is O2, which gives rise to carbon dioxide and water. So CH4, this is the left side of the arrow, as I told you in the previous video, is the reactant side, and the right side of the arrow is the product side. So two reactants gave rise to two products. On the reactant side, if you see, there is one carbon, and on the product side also we have one carbon. On the reactant side, if you see, there are 4 hydrogens, and also on the product side 2 of H2, 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens. And oxygens, there are 2 oxygens here, but here there are 4 oxygens. Here 2 oxygens and here 2 oxygens. So by this you can understand this reaction is only partially balanced but not completely balanced. In order to make this reaction completely balanced, we need to first write down this, how many carbons are there on the reactant side. 1 carbon. Okay, on the product side also we have only 1 carbon. And hydrogens, there are 4 hydrogens on the reactant side, and also there are 4 hydrogens on the product side. But if we come in the case of oxygen, there are 2 oxygens, but here there are 4 oxygens, 2 oxygens and 2 oxygens, 4 oxygens. 4 oxygens on the product side and 2 oxygens on the reactant side. So here you need to understand that this reaction is not completely balanced. This equation is not completely balanced. See here, if you see, the oxygens are not balanced. There are 2 oxygen atoms on the reactant side and there are 4 oxygen atoms on the product side. So that is the reason why we need to multiply this O2 on the reactant side twice. Twice is 2 into 2. So O2 into 2, which is on the reactant side, to make the equation completely balanced. If you see, CH4 plus twice of O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. Again 1 carbon, 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens, 4 oxygens. O2 twice we multiplied, as we came to know that this is only partially balanced. To completely balance it, we multiplied this O2 into 2. So now we got 4 oxygens here and also 4 oxygens here. 2 oxygens from carbon dioxide and 2 oxygens from water molecule. So now everything is balanced now except O2. So we need to multiply O2 into 2. That's what we have done exactly in this final step. So again, if you see the final balanced equation, it is CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. 1 carbon, 1 carbon. 4 hydrogens, 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens. 2 into 2, 4 oxygens, 2 oxygens of O2, and 2H2O is for the whole thing. 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens, 2 into, here nothing is there, is 1. So 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens, 4 oxygens. Here also 2 into 2, 4 oxygens. So for this we need to draw the table. As I told you in the previous video, draw the table for the elements on the left most, and the rightmost is number of atoms in products and number of reactants. Elements, number of atoms in reactants and products. And there are 3 elements in this equation. If you see, the first element is carbon, second element is oxygen, and third element is hydrogen. You can write it in any order, there is no problem. And the number of atoms in reactants, if you see, the carbon, there is 1 atom, and on the product also we have only 1 atom. And oxygens, if you see, finally, as everything is balanced, we have taken 2 molecules of oxygen. So it is 4 oxygens, and here also 2 oxygens and 2 oxygens, 4 oxygens. And hydrogens also 4 hydrogens, and 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens. So it is completely balanced. Both the reactant side and product side, it is equal. it's completely balanced. So from this table we can say that this equation is completely balanced, and finally the equation is CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. If you have any doubts in this particular topic, you can always comment down in the comment section down below, and also there will be a part 3 for this balancing chemical equations topic. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please like it, and if you find this helpful, please share it to those who are finding difficulty in learning this concept. Thank you so much.